Hey guys, what's up? So in today's video I am going to share my haul. I'm going to share everything that I picked up from my trip to Shanghai and Beijing. I actually didn't shop a lot in Beijing. I shopped in Shanghai a little bit. I picked up a few skincare items from a few Korean brands, and I also picked up a little bit of makeup. Our agenda was pretty tight and we didn't really have a lot of time to shop and everything, so this is everything that I could get with my little time that I had. And yeah, so without any further ado, let's jump right into it. First things first, let's get away with the high-end stuff. This is from Makeup Forever, like it says, and I picked up like two things that put a hole in my pocket. The first one is the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Foundation. Now I have been wanting this since forever, and as soon as I saw this, I picked it up. I've actually tried this before in one of the shoots, and it was like a video shoot, and the makeup artist used this on me, and I really liked how this ended up looking on my skin. It's super lightweight and expensive. I hope it's worth it in the long run, so I'm excited to try this. The next thing I picked up is the Makeup Forever HD, the Ultra HD Micro Finishing Loose Powder. Oh my god, this has become my favorite powder of all time. So I just went there to buy the foundation and I had no intentions of buying this, but you know what the salesperson did? So she took a little bit of oil on her hand, and then she took the powder and applied the powder on top of the oil, and her hand was absolutely matte. And that's how crazy oily my skin gets, and that's exactly what I wanted. So that's all that I have from Makeup Forever. I also got a sample from them. This is the Water Blend Foundation, but it's not in my shade, so it's basically useless. Then I went to this brand called Piniella Co and picked up a couple of sheet masks. This is actually the first like store we entered after Starbucks. Yeah, if you guys have seen my vlog, then you know what I'm talking about. So we went there, and this is the party, I think. Yeah, this is the Tea Party sheet mask in lemon, and I also picked up another bunch of it. This is again the Tea Party range of sheet mask in the rose variant, and both of these were for 10 won, so that's like 100 rupees, and there are 10 sheet masks in it, so they were pretty cheap, and I'm excited to try these. And the next thing is again from Piniella Co. This is the Cleanet Zero. So this is basically a cleansing balm. I haven't tried this, it's unopened, but Smriti, who was with me, spoke really highly of this. I have tried the one Smriti got, and I was superbly impressed with the way it worked. This is like Clinique Take the Day Off balm. It's the same consistency as that. I really like cleansing balms, so I'm looking forward to trying this. This I picked up from a random drugstore. This is Sunplay Skin Aqua UV Moisture Gel. We picked this up, both of us picked up the same one because the texture was super light, and it's like a clear gel, so it wouldn't give like a white cut. And Smriti actually texted me saying that that was the best thing she bought from China, so I am looking forward to trying that. Next we went to Etude House. I was very excited about this one. Picked up a lot of stuff, but couldn't pay because my debit card wasn't getting accepted, so we had to go find an ATM, but eventually we did end up paying, and I ended up getting quite a few things. The first thing I picked up is the AC Plus Cleanup Pink Powder Spot Set. If you guys have watched my vlog, then you know that I had this huge zit on my face, which was really weird. So the first thing is the AC Plus spot treatment kind of liquid. It's this pink liquid. The set also comes with Q-tips, so basically you dip the Q-tip in this and apply it onto your active acne. and it comes with a mini version of their face mask. This is their pink powder mask face mask for acne skin. I actually got the small sample size of it. So this is something that I'm very excited about. This is a all finish mascara cleaner. It's like a mascara and you apply it just like a mascara, but it helps in cleaning your mascara. So it's like a lash cleaner. The next thing is another trial kit for the pink vital water. I don't remember buying this, so I think this came in free as well. Another cleanser. This is the Monster Oil in Cleansing Water. It's super powerful and just what I need. And this is a bi-faced one, so you shake it and then you use it to remove any pesky makeup off of your face. I've heard really great things about this, so I'm looking forward to trying this one. Then I also went to this store called Muumuu. Picked up random things, like literally the most random things ever. I picked up a cute notebook, like I needed more notebooks. Cold and hot eye compress, which I thought would be super useful because I wake up with very puffy eyes, and I can put this in the fridge and then put it on top of my eyes in the morning, and it is super cute. Has cats in it. And then I picked up a post-it note because this was so cute for me to not pick up. I also picked up some Muumuu blotting paper. I have super oily skin, and this is the green tea variant and has 80 pieces. So this would be perfect for my bag. I picked up cute sellotapes. I also picked up like 2 bags, and both of them were like super affordable. This was for 31, so that's like 300 rupees. I picked this up. They had this in a lot of colors, and then I picked this bag up. This was for 25 won, so that's 250 bucks. So yeah, that was super cheap as well. So yeah, that's all that I picked up in terms of skincare and makeup. I also went shopping to buy some outfits and some shoes, so I'm gonna do like a separate haul for like all of the fashion stuff. And yeah, that's all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this super short and quick haul, and I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe so that you are notified every time I have a new video up, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.